I've tried a lot of side hustles over the past few years, and honestly, most of them didn't work. Things like dropshipping or day trading, I either lost money or wasted a ton of time. But then I found one AI business that's now making me over $8,000 per month consistently. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, my real results, and what you need to do to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. The problem with things like dropshipping or day trading is simple. They're completely oversaturated. Maybe back in 2015, you could have made millions with it, but today, everyone knows about it, and almost no one is making real money anymore. I've tried it myself, and honestly, after 3 months, I made just a little over 600 euros. So yeah, not exactly life-changing. But right now, a new trend is starting to take off, a new opportunity that most people haven't fully discovered yet. AI influencers. You've probably already seen them on Instagram. They look almost identical to real people, and more of them are going viral. For example, Aitana Lopez, she has close to 400,000 followers and is already working with major brands like Amazon. But it's not just that. There are also completely different formats, like AI characters building audiences and selling digital products. For example, this AI monk account that's selling a simple $49 course. And that's where things start to get really interesting. I mean, just think about it. You don't need to show your face, you don't need expensive equipment, and you don't need years of experience. You can create content, grow an audience, and monetize it all using AI. And the craziest part? Most people still don't understand how early we are. Right now, the barrier to entry is incredibly low, but the attention you can get is higher than ever, which means if you start now, you're not competing with millions of people yet. Before we jump into the exact steps, I've got a quick surprise for you. I put together a free ebook where I break down the top 5 mistakes most creators make with AI influencers and how you can avoid them and start monetizing as fast as possible. If you want it, just click the link in the description. It's completely free. Now, let's get into the actual steps. The first thing you need to do is choose your monetization strategy. This is where most people get it wrong. They start creating content without knowing how they're actually going to make money. What works best for me, and for a lot of other creators, is selling digital products or simple courses around your niche. For example, that AI monk we talked about earlier, he creates content about mental health, purpose, and life advice. But at the same time, he's selling a 30-day course and multiple ebooks, which have likely made him thousands of dollars already. In my case, I run a student AI influencer account that shares study tips, and I monetize it by selling a $9.99 ebook with the best study strategies. And those are just 2 examples. There are also other ways to monetize, like platforms such as FanView or working with brands once your account grows. And the best part is, you don't have to choose just one. You can combine multiple income streams, and that's where things really start to scale. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time for the most important step, creating your AI influencer. Because if your influencer doesn't look real, nothing else will work. People won't follow, they won't trust it, and most importantly, they won't buy. So your goal here is to create someone who looks as natural and human as possible, not fake or overly AI generated. For this, I personally use OpenArt. It allows you to generate ultra-realistic images, but also natural-looking videos and reels, which is exactly what you need to stand out. Now, if you want a full step-by-step tutorial on how I create my AI influencers, I've linked a detailed video in the description where I show you the entire process. And once you start posting consistently, whether it's on Instagram, TikTok, or even Facebook, there's really nothing holding you back anymore. At that point, it's just about staying consistent, improving your content, and learning what works. And if you want to avoid the mistakes that most beginners make sure to download my free ebook, where I break down the 5 biggest mistakes and how to monetize as fast as possible. The link is in the description. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.